Hey everyone, today let's tackle the issue together on how to fix bad audio on AirPods when connected to a PC. We'll go through the steps quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Open Control Panel. First, navigate to the Control Panel. You can do this by clicking on the Start icon and selecting Control Panel. Step 2. Access Sound Settings. In the Control Panel, make sure the view is set to large icons. Scroll down and click on Sound. This will open the Sound Settings window. Step 3. Disable and enable audio. Now, within the Sound Settings window, locate your AirPods under both the Playback, Speakers, and Recording, Microphone tabs. Disable them, then enable them again. This helps refresh the connection. Step 4. Adjust Sound Properties. Right-click on the speakers, go to Properties, and navigate to the Levels tab. Set the volume to 100% and ensure that all enhancements are disabled. Step 5. Update audio drivers. Next, open Device Manager by right-clicking on the Start icon and selecting Device Manager. Expand the Audio Inputs and Outputs section. Right-click on your AirPods and select Update Driver. Choose the option to search automatically for drivers. If this doesn't work, choose the option to select any model and let Windows find the best driver. Repeat this process for the microphone as well. Step 6. Update Sound Drivers. Navigate to the Sound, Video and Game Controllers section in Device Manager. Right-click on your audio device, select Properties, and go to the Drivers tab. Update the driver using the same process as before. Step 7. Restart your system. Once you've completed all the steps, close all windows, and restart your PC to apply the changes. That's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the bad audio on your AirPods when connected to your PC. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.